In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage your LinkedIn newsletter subscriptions in just about 5 minutes. Whether you're trying to cut down on email notifications or simply want to tidy up your LinkedIn experience, you've come to the right place. Let's start with the basics. The first thing you'll need to do is navigate to the LinkedIn website. Once you're there, you'll see the option to sign in. You can sign in with Google for a quicker process, or you can continue with your LinkedIn account details. Occasionally, LinkedIn might ask you to solve a CAPTCHA as an additional security measure to make sure you're not a robot. After you've successfully logged in, glance over to the top right corner of your LinkedIn homepage. You'll notice your profile photo there. Give it a click. This action takes you to a menu where you can access various settings and features of your account. In this menu, your next step is to click on View Settings. It might take a moment to find, but it's there, and it's your gateway to customizing how you interact with LinkedIn content and notifications. Now you're going to find yourself in the settings menu looking for something very specific. What you're aiming to click on next is news and reports. It's a category that encompasses a variety of content related settings, including how you receive news, updates, and importantly, newsletters. Upon clicking news and reports, you'll see several options. Your goal here is to navigate towards the editor's choice or any newsletter subscriptions you're currently enrolled in. It's a straightforward step, but a crucial one for managing the influx of information you receive from LinkedIn. Lastly, once you've found the editor's choice or the newsletter settings, you'll see a toggle. This toggle represents whether the feature is active or not. To stop receiving newsletters, simply turn off this toggle. It's usually a click or a slide away, and doing this will significantly reduce the number of emails and notifications you receive according to your preferences. And there you have it, a simple and quick guide to managing your newsletter subscriptions on LinkedIn. No more sifting through unwanted emails, and you can now curate your LinkedIn experience to better suit your professional needs and interests. Remember, these settings aren't set in stone. You can always change them back or adjust them as your preferences evolve. LinkedIn has a plethora of resources and content available, and how you choose to interact with that content can greatly enhance your professional networking experience. Thank you for following along with this tutorial. Managing your digital footprint is an important part of navigating the professional world online, and we hope this guide has made that process a little easier for you.